Hi there, this video will present the final term project of iOS course. You might wondering, why this group use my voice as the narrative instead of their voices. The reason is that they are very shy of their pronunciation. Just kidding. Actually, they already recorded, but it turned out that the voice is not really good. It is very noisy. So for the rest of the video, I'll be explaining about this project. If you feel annoyed, you can reduce the volume and read the subtitles instead. So shall we begin? The project that will be submitted is called AU Open House. Basically, this application will allow students to access and view information during the open house event. Here is a list of features. The first part is Bulletin. In this part, it will show the list of faculties and majors with the details such as the location and website. The second part is Event. In this part, it will show the list of upcoming events with the details such as event information, location, and etc. Moreover, it will also have the live chat for each event. For this project, we will be using our RESTful web services that has been created long time ago. But to summarize, this API provide all the information with the security access. Next, here's the list of libraries that we will be using in our application. I will just skip this because I'm lazy. And the last part is the contributors. There are 3 people working on this project. Chat Chawan is responsible on overall of project but mostly focused on back-end. Panache and Sai Kam Sheng are working on the responsive layout and design. And that is our project description and details. Next, I will show the demo. This app very simple. It is very simple that anyone can easily create it within one day. However, let's start. The first screen that user will see is the login page. Currently, user can only log in via Google account as there is some problem about Facebook login service. When user press login, it will redirect to Google sign-in page. Don't worry, we won't be collecting any of your personal data. Trust me, they said. Once user log in, they will be landed on the main page, which is pretty much empty as you can see. User can be able to access 2 main functions through side menu. To be more detailed, the implementation of side menu is based on Notification Center. So we will take a look at the bulletin first. As you expect, it showed the list of faculties. And when you click on it, it will display the details of each faculties, such as the list of majors and location using the map kit. Moreover, user can directly visit the faculty website. For this part, we will be using Core Data to store these faculties' data offline. Here is the demonstration of loading stored data. Yeah, why not just turn down the server for a few seconds? The alert showed that it could not connect to server. So the application will try to load the list of faculties from Core Data. And here it is, the loaded faculties. And that's it for bulletin. In order to continue the demo, we will have to turn on the server. We will move on to the next part. They said it is the hardest part, which is the event. In this part, it will show the upcoming event along with the joined event. And here it show all the details of the events. User will be able to join the event or leave the event as they like. The most fun part of this is the live chat, but sadly no one use it. To be more detailed, the implementation of live chat is based on Firebase real-time database. OMG, we got someone here. As you can see, we also handle the keyboard events as well. And yeah, that is the end of the demo. All the source code will be on the GitHub. If you have any question, please feel free to ask the member. On behalf of the group, thank you very much.